for second day, na?
Yes, for second day on the Bay Island Camping Tour. We have 3 places to be visited. The first one is Battery. We have Luli Island, and of course we have Cowley Island. The activity are all swimming, snorkeling, and fish keeping activities.
That's great, ha?
Basta
Let's
naman
go.
yan, kahapon may
Tuyuan naman kasi city tour. Let's go to Honda Bay. Yung ano full face mask yan, no?
250. Gusto mo ba ng ganito? Yung snorkel lang?
Ikaw, Papa, ano
Hindi,
ba?
snorkel lang parehas na kaya lang ito full face.
Dito naman sir, ang problema na po dito is amount lang po talaga ang mask. And then pag nag-fit po sa'yo, naka-fix na po.
Before going to Honda Bay, ayan, meron dito isang shop for rental. Mayroong aqua shoes. Ayan, may mga for sale din sa mga swimming. One-stop shop to prepare. You can buy your food and drinks. Pero
Ano bang gusto mo? Full face o half face?
Ano bang mas suggested?
Ganda kasi sa picture ko eh. Half face eh.
Welcome to Pambato Reef. Yan, kung hindi ka marunong mag-swimming, pwede namang suot yung life vest. Life vest. Yan, dami, no? Dami isda, no? Kaya tayo magpapakain ng isda, eh. Si Alex at si Alger na muna.
Hey ma'am, hindi na po kayo bababa ma'am?
Mamaya na po tayo sila muna, dalawa. Mag-ama ko muna.
Okay, meron po naman tayo sa Luli, doon yung matagal, doon kayo maglalans eh.
Opo. Takot si Alger.
Bakit? Oo. Meron ka dyan?
Ayun, dalawa kong mag-ama.
Dito lang po ma'am, hindi po. Okay na daw po.
Ano island na ta?
Okay, everyone, welcome to Luli Island or to the Sinking and Rising Island. Everyone will stay here a bit longer because we will going to have our Filipino lunch here. You can bring all of your things because we do have cottage on this island.
Okay.
And we were going to have our lunch at 11:30. And everyone, they have for sale crabs here. Just in case you would like to buy some crabs, they have for sale here. And there is a limited stock on it. It's only 4 kilos. If you would like to buy, please tell me what I'm looking for.
Hello! Kumakain na ako. We just came here from Pambato Reef. Ito yung second island, which is the Bilo Island. So, part pa rin ng Honda Bay ng Palawan. So, this is our second island tour. Lulubog lilitaw daw to, kaya lilo. Kaya may sun. So, high tide na ng konti. Ayun na yung mag-ama ko. So, may mga cottages na rin dito. So, if you go here, sa isang group, may mga cottages na kayo. So, it's like that. Ganda, ang ganda. Sulit na sulit. Medyo baka.
Ito matakot? Hindi yan. May pateng. Try mong bumitaw. Try mong bumitaw. Malapit ka naman dito eh. Tali.
Paano ka magdadive doon kung mabalik na tayo doon?
Wag na ma, iyaw mo muna sa ito para di mabasa.
Mainitin yung ano. Siguro parang aso nakatali.
Sabi ko kayo ba? Sabi kayo.
Sabi kita!
Lubog na. Nag-high tide na. Malubog na. Nag-high tide na yung dagat dito.
Hindi naman nakagat yan.
Mundo yan. Lubog na sa tubig.
You wanna ride? Yeah, you can? Yalla, make it. Yeah. Good. You wanna go there?
Kausapin mo si Kuya na.
You can drop him in the deepest part. Yeah. Then leave him alone.
Dubai.
Messi, thank you Lord for the food.
That's why she was scared. She thought you will take him
Yeah.
to Dubai.
This is our last island na pupuntahan. This is the Cory Island here in Palawan. Ang ganda. That's our boat. And welcome to Cory Island here in Palawan. This is our last island hopping. Wala pa. Hello! Ayan. We're here at Cory Island. And this is our last stop na island here in Palawan, in Honda Bay pala. So we had 3 islands. And galing na namin sa lunch. Swimming ulit kami ulit dito. Yan si Papa. Yan si Aljur. Hindi kita si Aljur.
Ma, bakit? Itim ko naman, feeling ko. Dali, kuya, baka may bayad pa yan.
Sige na, bantayan kita. I-clip mo yung ano mo. Dress mo na.
Gab,
Ah,
gusto mo kumuha ako sa ilalim.
sige.